Hey guys, it's Emma with Poolbots, and today we're going to be talking about the all-new Dolphin ProLine. So what is the Dolphin ProLine? Dolphin ProLine Robots are the cutting-edge robotic pool cleaners that surpass all others in terms of exclusive professional-grade features. Prepare to experience a new level of excellence with NanoFilters, providing unparalleled filtration capabilities. Equipped with commercial-grade motors, these robots deliver enhanced power and mobility like never before. With Waterline Cleaning technology, they ensure complete coverage of your pool's surface, leaving no area untouched. The best part? There's never a restocking fee, allowing you to test any ProLine robot in your own pool for a full 30 days. Today, we'll be going over the advantages and comparing all the ProLine models to see which is right for your swimming pool. The advantages of the Dolphin ProLine are simple: the performance of commercial-grade robots at a consumer price. Utilizing the same commercial motors found in Dolphin Wave series and the innovative addition of NanoFilters, these robots are the key to a clean and healthy pool. NanoFilters, the key to clear pool water. These Gen-2 filters clean better than the standard fine filters. Found exclusively in ProLine and select Max series models, pool owners everywhere are making the switch to NanoFiltration. With the ability to capture microscopic debris other pool robot filters miss, these features are a must-have for any pool robot. These filters are included in each ProLine model right out of the box. With the ability to clear cloudy pool water, capture small debris standard filters miss, and more, these filters are a must-have. Make sure to check out our in-depth NanoFilter video where we dive in and test these new Gen-2 filters. Commercial-grade motors. With select robots pushing over 4,500 gallons per hour, these robots clean and vacuum like no other Dolphin robot. Equipped with the latest tech and motors, the ProLine sets a new standard. The same motors as found on the more expensive Dolphin Wave series, the Dolphin ProLine combines the increased performance with features you'll want on a residential pool robot like a weekly timer, NanoFilters, and more. Waterline Cleaning. Every ProLine pool robot has complete pool coverage. With the ability to clean the floor, walls, and waterline, no inch goes uncovered and uncleaned. This is where over 90% of algae and bacteria live in your pool, so why would you want a cleaner that can't reach this problem area? With Waterline Cleaning, the robots will move horizontally along the waterline as they scrub away. With dual stabilizers or PowerJet 3D mobility, these features help the ProLine unlock a deeper clean at the waterline. No restocking fee plus 30-day risk-free trial. Unlike other pool companies, we never charge a restocking fee on any robotic pool cleaner. While some companies charge you to return certain Dolphin pool robots, there is never a restocking fee on any robotic pool cleaner at poolbots.com. With a risk-free 30-day trial, you can try any Dolphin ProLine robot in your pool for 30 days. Compare Dolphin ProLine models. There are a total of 3 Dolphin ProLine models: the Dolphin Premier, the Dolphin Sigma, and the Dolphin Quantum. Before we dive into a quick overview on each, here's a quick summary of each of the Dolphin ProLine models. With more features and more innovation, the Dolphin ProLine stands out at the top of the Dolphin lineup. Every model includes a 60-foot cable with anti-tangle swivel, waterline cleaning, NanoFilters, and more. But let's jump into the differences between each. The Dolphin Premier. Rated the best robotic pool cleaner of the year by USA Today, the Dolphin Premier stands out with multimedia, NanoFilters, media alert, and more. From the floor to the waterline, the Dolphin Premier covers your whole pool with 2 commercial-grade motors that filter over 75 gallons per minute. With real-time filter tracking, media alert, the Premier lets you know when it is time to clean its filters. With multimedia, the Premier has over 4 filter options. With standard filters, NanoFilters, an oversized leaf bag, and optional disposable debris bags, the Dolphin Premier has more filter options than any other Dolphin cleaner. There is a reason the Premier was rated the #1 pool robot of the year. With an included oversized leaf bag, NanoFilters, and standard mesh filters, the Premier can swap between 4 filters to customize each and every clean, which is something no other Dolphin pool cleaner can do. It's the only Dolphin with a leaf bag, which can be a lifesaver if you deal with a lot of leaves in your pool. The Dolphin Sigma. Powered by a gyroscope, 3 commercial-grade motors, quad scrubbing brushes, and NanoFiltration, the Dolphin Sigma is the top Dolphin ProLine Robot. With the My Dolphin Plus app, you can connect and control the Sigma from anywhere. Right from your phone, you can control and drive the Sigma, schedule specific days and time to clean, and even view the cleaning history. The upgraded SmartNav 3.0 allows the Sigma to reach every nook and cranny of the pool, unlocking a deeper clean. With dual stabilizers, the Sigma climbs and cleans your entire pool with its quad scrubbing brushes. This debris is vacuumed into the 2 oversized filter cartridges that load from the top of the unit, allowing you to easily clean and rinse the captured debris and gunk. Built on the same platform as the Dolphin Wave pool robots, there has never been a robot quite like the Dolphin Sigma, which combines high-tech and commercial-grade performance. The Dolphin Quantum, the only ProLine robot with a max bin. The Quantum includes the XXL max bin with NanoFiltration, which is the 2nd-generation top-loading filter basket. The NanoFilters simply pop in and out, allowing you to easily rinse and clean the filters. Able to capture gunk and debris other cleaners miss, all inside a larger filter basket. With over 400 square inches of capacity, the Quantum's basket is over 225% larger than first-gen filters. With PowerJet 3D mobility, the Quantum has powerful vortex jets that move it horizontally along the waterline. From the floor to the waterline, the Dolphin Quantum does it all and is the perfect choice for any pool. Need help deciding which robotic pool cleaner is right for your pool? Get one-on-one support with our pool experts at poolbots.com, where you can talk on the phone, live chat, or email with me or one of our other pool experts. As always, you can read more about the Dolphin ProLine and learn more about dozens of other robotic pool cleaners at poolbots.com. Visit our website to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership, and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.